Hey guys, I'm Mark, the manager here at the Helmet Center. I ride a 2021 MV Agusta Brutale 1000 RR. So this was actually one of my dream bikes I've been looking for a long time. I was finally able to get my hands on one. So it's a 1000cc Italian bike made over in Italy, mostly carbon, kind of the whole naked bike rather than a full fairing or cruiser style. But it's got the 4 exhaust pipes to it. It's got a real lightweight body to it. A lot of power, a lot of fun, nothing too crazy, but I was finally able to get that dream bike I've always wanted. It's very light, so that took a little getting used to, which is kind of different from my other bike. But it's really well balanced, it's a little bit light, a lot of wind off the front, but that's typical of this type of bike. But wanted something that I could really just have fun on, wasn't as aggressive as my other bike, something a little more comfortable for the back, but still has the power to have fun, do some distance trips on. But does eat a little bit of gas, but still a whole lot of fun to have. And something if you go to a show or an event, you really don't see a lot out there. I think the main reason I like riding, I got into it years ago. One of my friends rides dirt bikes and kind of got me into it. And then I think it's a great way, kind of take the mind off things. You have to think a little differently, bike versus a car, but it's a great way to clear the head. It's a great way to meet new people. And I've definitely met some of my best friends through the motorcycle industry.